In this video, we have a simple question. Can you create an iCloud account using an Android phone? I know a bunch of people might be interested in this, and officially, yes, it is supported to create an account, a brand new one, of iCloud using your Android. And the way that you do this or achieve this is by opening up a web browser of your choice, and you will want to type in iCloud.com into the URL bar. So you will get inside in there, and literally the first button will be to sign in. So you just click on that, but instead of typing in your credentials and signing in with your existing account, you will instead scroll down below and click on create a brand new iCloud account. So no matter which platform you are on, if it's an Android or iPhone, it will kind of look the same because you just have to go through the setup process where you add in your name, your address, country, birthday, and all of the information that it asks you about. You will then have to perform the, authentication steps, and then you will have the ability to create a brand new Apple ID or iCloud account, even on Android phone. The thing is that you should only create it if you intend to use it mostly on Apple devices. Because on Android, it's much more limited, it's not as optimized or deeply integrated into the software compared to iPhones, so you probably don't want to use it as primary cloud service on your Android. There are better options like Google Drive or Dropbox and many more which have dedicated apps and integration into the Android software. So this is my guide. This is how you can do this. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.